How to fix Focusrite is not working in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be encountering different problems when trying to use Focusrite on Windows 11 computer. Follow the steps to fix the issues. Method 1 is install the older version of driver. Switching to the older version of driver has helped numerous users, specifically Focusrite driver version 3.6.0, which is compatible with Windows 7 and 8. Before installing this driver version, uninstall the existing driver of Focusrite. Right click on Start, select Device Manager. First of all, click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Now look for Focusrite in the list. Here it is, Focusrite Audio. Expand this device. You have to uninstall both the device drivers. Right click on the device, select Uninstall Device. Check this box which says attempt to remove the driver for this device and click on Uninstall. In the same manner, uninstall the another device, click on Uninstall. Once uninstalled, restart your computer and then open a browser. Focusrite driver version 3.6.0 has worked for many users, so download this driver version. In the browser, type Focusrite driver version 3.6.0. Press enter. Go to this link and download this driver. Click on this button. Once downloaded, click on the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. Click on finish. Your computer will restart and the driver will be installed perfectly and completely. Then try running the Focusrite. The second thing is check your USB connection. Avoid using hubs and adapters to connect the Focusrite cable. Instead, directly connect the Focusrite cable to the port, whether it is USB 2.0 or 3.0. Check in both the USB ports, USB 2.0 and 3.0. Performance can vary in different ports. Check it and connect perfectly. The issue should be fixed. The third method is increase the buffer size of Focusrite control. 1024 is ideal buffer size. Use this mark. This can help you reduce dropouts and improve the stability. Also, disable Windows spatial sound. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, click on Sound, scroll down and click on All Sound Devices. If you are using Focusrite, then you can see Focusrite in the list. Suppose this is the Focusrite. Click on it and disable spatial sound if it is enabled. Click on the drop down and select off. In the same way, disable audio enhancements if it is enabled. Click on this drop down and select off. Close the settings window and try running Focusrite. Lastly, consider disabling automatic driver installation. You can do this using Group Policy Editor. For this, right click on Start, select Run, type gpedit.msc, click on OK. For computer configuration, expand administrative templates, then go to Windows Components, then double click on Windows Update, select Manage Updates offered from Windows Update, Right click on enable optional updates and select edit. Select disabled here and click on apply. Click on OK. Close the group policy editor and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.